Hi, I'm Jimmy Chang, and we're here to talk about what is offset in statistics. Now, the offset is known as an offset variable. Now, this is a variable that's used in the Poisson regression model. Now, if you've never worked with the Poisson regression model, this concept may not mean a whole lot to you, so the offset variable is really primarily working inside the Poisson regression model. Now, in the particular model, they work with what's called counts and rates. Now, a count, we're talking about individual counts. For example, the number of words that you can type, the number of colds you might observe in a hospital, for example, whereas a rate can be thought of as miles per hour, words per minute, things like that. Now, a rate is equal to the count per unit time. Now, without going into too much detail right here, in Poisson models, they work a lot with various equations and they use algebra, and they work with what's called exposure variables. And there's a particular term that's often used, the natural log of the exposure. Now, this is known as an offset variable. Now, what happens in Poisson models is you're often going variable and you're converting it from a rate to a count. But what an offset variable does is an offset variable can be used to take your count and convert it back to a rate. Now, what's interesting about the offset variable is that the coefficient is required to be 1, so as it works with a lot of flexibility. But basically, just to kind of summarize, in Poisson models, you convert the dependent variable from a rate to a count, and an offset variable takes you from a count to a rate. So I'm Jimmy Chang, and that's a brief summary as to what is an offset variable in statistics.